Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to paint a brand new fender, or it can be a hood, it can be a door, it can be anything that's brand new. When you buy them, you get them with this e-coating. Okay, so what you need to do in order to prep it for paint, you need to scuff it down. And what I'm using to scuff it down is a maroon Scotch-Brite. All right, all you gotta do is just scuff everything down. I don't know if you can see it right there. Everything has been sanded, everything has been scuffed down. All the edges, make sure you get the edges. And that's it. That's basically it, what you need to do in order to get this type of etching that it has ready for paint. Now, what's next? It's wax and grease remover. The wax and grease remover that I'm using is this brand. Now you can get any brand you want. Actually, you can also use acetone for this type of cleaning. All right, but I'm gonna be using some wax and grease remover and have it ready for that sealer that's coming up. Guys, I do recommend you use gloves when you're doing the wax and grease remover. You don't want to contaminate the clean surface, so use gloves, use a microfiber towel, just wipe on the wax and grease remover, wipe it off, and you'll be good. Now that everything has been cleaned, it's time for the next step. You can use some adhesion promoter on this metal. You can just apply it, spray it down, maybe 2 coats, and start applying your paint. Now I'm not going to use adhesion promoter. What I'm going to use is sealer. It's a catalyzed sealer, which I know it's going to stick real good to this metal, and I'm not going to have any issues. All right, that's what I'm doing. Now I'm going to be using a sealer. It's a medium gray with a slow activator and slow reducer. The reason being is that it's 95 degrees in here, 95 degrees Fahrenheit in here. So that's what I'm going to be using. Let me just mix it up, put it on the gun. The gun I'm going to be using is my HTE Genesi Carbonio 360 Light with a 1.3 tip. I'm going to be using this gun for the sealer, paint, and the clear. I'm going to be using it for everything. All right, let's get started. There it is. You only need 1 coat. That's it. Everything covered. Now I'm gonna start mixing the paint so that I can start applying it. I'm gonna apply it after 15 minutes have passed. Okay, I'm gonna let this dry out for 15 minutes. Come back with the paint. There it is, 3 coats of base. Now I'm gonna let it dry for about 10 minutes. I've been waiting 10 minutes in between each coat. This is the 3rd coat. I'm gonna wait 10 minutes, come back, start applying the clear. There it is. The clear I'm gonna be using is from Grant 7. This is mixed 2-to-1. Let me just mix it up, put it in the gun, start applying it. There it is, guys. Came out looking real nice, real shiny, real glossy. Now, guys, you can use this method on doors, on hoods, on fenders. Anything that's brand new that you just bought, any part that's brand new, you can use it this way. Now, you can paint the inside. The inside can also be painted or just apply some sealer to it for a little bit more protection. But this is it, guys. I hope you guys now know how to paint brand new fenders. Guys, like the video, share the video, subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, guys, have a great weekend, and God bless.